Today, year ones, it is Thursday. That means we need to get ready for our activities for Thursday. Okay, so very first thing you'll do is go through your go through all your spelling words. Pause this video while you go through your spelling words, and when you've completed your spelling, you come back. Now that you've completed your spelling words, year one, let's look at what we have to do today. So we're looking at base verbs. Okay, verbs are action words. Here one, you've got a group or a set of action words in the box on the screen. You need to choose action words or verbs from this box and use them to complete the 10 sentences on this page. Here goes the verbs from the box. Just look at the pointer. I'll be pointing at the word I read. Eat, build, smile, play, cry, read, listen, talk, watch, sleep. Here you've got 10 sentences, year one, that you need to complete using the words in the box. I will read the sentences to you. Number one, we with our toys and games. 2, I when I am sad. When you have the answer, pause this video, write in your answer, and then you play the video again. 3, at school, we to the teacher. 4, at night, I in bed. 5, you can on the phone. 6, I can lots of books. 7, you can a tower with bricks. 8, I when I am happy. 9, we films on the TV. 10, I my lunch at school. If you are seeing this page, that means you've completed your maths and you're now you've completed your English and you're now moving on to maths. Okay, let's see what we have in store for maths on Thursday. Thursday it is. So you've got some addition sums at the top. Here you've got 10 cents plus 60 cents is equal to, and you write your answer. This is 70 cents. You must add the little c or the curly k at the end, just like they did here. For this part of the activity, if you look at where the pointer is, you just break the number apart. 55 is 50 plus 5. So you decide how you want to make 60 cents, 45 cents, and 90 cents. Here you've got some word problems that you can try and read to yourself or just listen to me read. Mary has 20 cents in her pocket. She buys a pen for 15 cents. How much change will she get? Here one, she had 20 cents. She paid 15 cents, okay? So we took 15 cents from their 20 cents. You need to write the sum and you write your answer in the box. Peter buys a sweet for 10 cents, then another one for 5 cents. How much does he owe? So he bought for 10 and for 5 cents. So all together, year one, how much does he owe? Then, for this part of the activity, year one, you take a red color pencil and you circle the most expensive fruit. That means the fruit that costs the most money. Okay. Then you take a blue color pencil and you circle or draw a circle around the cheapest fruit. That means the fruit that costs the least amount of money. Okay, year ones, on to the next maths activity. For this very first part, you just break the numbers or the amount apart, okay? just like they did above. You had 75 cents, okay? You break it apart with a 50 cent, a 10 cent, another 10 cent, and a 5 cent, okay? When you add all of this, it still gives you 75 cents. Now you get to do the same with the 50 cents, okay? So I'll give you the answer for the 50 cent and you have to try and do the rest on your own. So 50 cents, you can write 20 cents plus 20 cent plus 10 cent, okay? That will still give you a 50 cent. Then you made some purchases, year one. This is this part down below. You paid you bought, okay, a truck for $70 and you paid with $100. That means that you must take away 70, okay, from your 100, okay? So you can just scribble the sum over here and write your answer in. The same applies down below. You bought for $35 and you paid with $100. Then you bought a teddy for $90 and you paid with with $200, pardon me. Then down below you do the sums where you just add a 20 cent and subtract a 20 cent. Okay, so here you've got $1.10. If you add 20, it gives you $1.30. Then you take that $1.10, take away 10 cents gives you $1. Okay, you do the exact same thing for $20 and for $50.50. Okay, that brings us to the end of our maths. We move on to our science. So for our science activities for today, year one, you get to make shadow puppets. Woohoo! This must be fun. I'll read the instructions. Making shadow puppets. Sarah and Nazreen are making shadow puppets. Try making your own shadow puppets. Tell others how the shadow is made. Okay, so here you get to have fun, year one. You make your own shadow puppets, and just remember that shadows are formed because light cannot pass through an object, okay? A shadow is always dark. It will never be pink, red, yellow, or purple. Okay, that brings us to the end of our science activities for today and our overall activities.